Samsung flagship smartphone might grab the headline, but it's hard to go wrong with the brand more affordable Galaxy A55 5G. We are still weeks away from the official launch, but that hasn't stopped us from wondering what's inside for the Galaxy A55 5G. The number one and important thing is going to be the release date for the Galaxy A55 5G. Basically, mid-March 2024 is the most likely Samsung Galaxy A55 5G release date if you follow the series' most recent release schedule. Then we have what specs and feature could be Samsung Galaxy A55 5G will have. For starter, one standout takeaway from the Galaxy A54 5G, it is just how much the phone looks like with Samsung's most recent flagship smartphone. The new design is likely part of Samsung brand strategy from now on, so we would be very surprised if A55 changes things again so soon. My Smart Price posted Galaxy A55 5G renders in December 2023, indeed showing a similar look to the Galaxy A54, but with a couple of key changes. The most prominent change here is what appears to be the metal frame complete with antenna lines with flat edges. Hopefully this does not result in the phone digging into your palm. We are also seeing an interesting bump for the buttons. We are calling it as a key island. The buttons are on a slightly raised platform on the side, something we did not see on the Galaxy S24 series. Sure enough, a recent TINA listing shows a real-life version of the Galaxy A55 5G that closely matches the leaked renders. Leaker Even Blast also posted both Galaxy A35 and A55 renders on February 9. I must admit that I am not even sure which one is A35 and which one is A55. Although it must be said that Galaxy A34 and A54 also looked identical to each other. On the hardware front, we have almost the same thing that we already see. The IP67 rating, 120Hz Super AMOLED display and a Wi-Fi 6 capability for its predecessor will almost certainly carry over. The images also confirm that it's coming with an IP rating, not forgetting Samsung's best-in-class update policy offer 4 years of Android variant support with 5 years of security coverage to last the phone into 2029. Perhaps the biggest unknown will be what processor the phone will use. One rumor points out that it will be coming with Exynos 1480 chipset, and it's believed that the chip will bring AMD graphics to the mid-range for the first time. We have to wait and see whether these claims to be true. Now, as far as the pricing is concerned, Samsung has been consistent with the pricing for its cheaper phone in a recent year, at least in the US. However, in Europe and UK, prices have crept up steadily over the past couple of generations, pushing the phone right to the top end of the mid-range market. We wouldn't be surprised if Galaxy A55 5G price tag jump extraordinary next year, as value for the money is a huge part of the phone's appeal. Nevertheless, the US appears overdue for an increase, and Samsung might not be willing or able to shield its customer from like a hike in the price. Still, we expect the phone to arrive with a base model starting below $500. However, based on historical facts that Samsung upgrades are going to be slow for the A series, those in need of a phone today shouldn't delay. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, which has $449 price tag, will likely offer the vast majority of the A55 5G features and is built to last many years. Of course, Samsung isn't alone in the budget segments. Summer 2023 Google Pixel 7a, which is priced at $477, costs a little more but nets your Google camera powers, a beefier processor, a wireless charging capabilities. Those looking to bring the gap with a few extra flagship features might find the Pixel 7a suits their needs better than the Galaxy A54 5G. Also, you have the option for nothing phone, which is also a great device. Anyway guys, this is my opinion. These are some of the leaks and rumors for the Galaxy A55 5G. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Did you want this feature? Thanks for watching. Peace.